Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the index match function. So the index match function is a function that combines the index function and two match functions. It allows us to match the column and row of a table array and return a value based on the match. So let's look at an example. Here we have a list of the teams, the seasons, and the money that they spend on salary in each season. And let's look at the task. So fill in below empty cells using the numbers from the data tab. So what we want to do here is we want to fill in all these empty cells using the numbers from the data tab. So as we can see, we only need the data for a few years and a few teams. And the teams and the seasons are in different orders than what we have in the data tab. So in this case, we want to use the index match function to find a value by matching the row and column. So what we do here is we start out by doing equal index. So for the array, we will just go to the data tab and select all the data that we want. And then we can anchor the data, press comma. So for row number, we want to do a match. And then for the lookup value, what we want to look up is the team. So in here, we want to anchor the column. So anchor column A, and then press comma. So for the lookup array, since it's a team, so we want to go back to the data tab and select all the team in column A, anchor that team's column, press comma. For match type, we want to press 0 to find the exact match. Close parenthesis, comma. So for match, for a column number, we want to use another match function. So what we do here is we do match, and for the lookup value, we want to look up the seasons. And then we anchor the row so it doesn't change. Press comma. So for lookup array, we can go back to the data and just select all the season that we want to include. Anchor the season, press comma. For match type, again, we want to press 0 so the formula will find the exact match. Close parenthesis again. Press enter. Now we can drag it down and drag it across. And then we can have all the salary information for all these teams and all these seasons. And let's do a quick check. So let's say we want to double check the salary information is correct for teams. Let's check this Denver Nuggets salary in the 2019-2020 season. So it's $133 million and $522,615. And let's go back to the data. And we'll find Denver Nuggets. Go to the 2019 and 2020 salary. That's $122.5 million, which matches what we have in the answer. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.